to utilize that Gemma models released by the companies and its OpenAI model. So quickly I'm going to show how to run that model in Google Colab. So just you have need to click on the URL. Also, if you click on the show code, they will going to give all the setups. So for Gemma setup, before that I will to tell you it's into variants. One is 2 billion parameter and another is 7 billion parameters. And both the models have fine-tuning capacities. So we can utilize lower config or Q lower config and you can find in some their key query values projections. So just you need to install that notebook or you need to connect that notebook and once you can do installing all those, mm, automatically it will going to install all those and if you ask the model for to release something, so it has utilized gamma tokenizer, then token shape or embedding shape it's in 2048 and output shape all those. So if you ask any particular questions, so for demo purpose they have asked the question, uh, what is the meaning of life? So it has given the question what is the meaning of life and those are some steps. You can ask some any questions like general life coding, maths, reasoning question, and it will be able to give you all those. There is also another articles they have given, and it's related to the it's related how to do fine tune. So you can utilize a LoRa config file. It's a LoRa adaptations, and you can do it. Means you can do a fine tune on your local computer and all those. So they also provided simple data sets and if they are saying please try to utilize column network with TPU, T4 GPU, all those settings, and you just need to set environment. Then you need to take their data set from Databricks where they have given the 5,000 15,000 examples. Through that also you can review what those examples and data containing, and they have utilized Gemma 2 billion English model. So before fine tuning you have need to pass some instructions. So here they have passed the instructions. What should I do on trip to Europe? And those are the some responses you have need to provide. So those are already given in the data set. So based upon the various types of prompts, you can do all those, and you have need to utilize LoRa fine tuning. And in that LoRa you need to pass some parameters like rank and all those. So here they have passed the rank is equal to 4. So once you utilize the LoRa, look see from those that means 2 billion parameters it has just selected 13 lakhs parameter for the training. Means the trainable parameters are only just 5 MB size, while remaining 10 MB will not be considered. And you have need to utilize some optimizers like Adam optimizer. You have need to pass the learning rate like 5 raised minus 5 weight decay to reach that local minima, and you have need to pass the some losses like sparsity, cross entropy, weight matrices, optimizers. Once all those completed, uh, once you can complete, and you just need to do the fine tuning of model, so it will going to do the fine tuning. So they have provided all those detailed graphs documents. You just need to make a copy paste and all those, and also you can utilize vertex AI service or all those things. And this is very easy and very interesting, and it will going to solve so many daily life problems as you maybe have faced with the lemma or other models. So that is the magic now happening in all those models. So I'm going to make a full detailed video related to this. If you have any doubt or questions, please ask me in the comment. Thank you.